Hello guys, welcome to PHP Basics section 2.4 part 3. Today I'll be showing you how to integrate in your form documents and to upload them in a folder. So in my previous lecture, if you remember, we had to do the same form, but we used images for and the folder we called it avatar. So the only difference in this lecture is for documents instead of images. And to get started in the file type, the input, that means this one right here, I changed the accept to accept the type of Excel document, PowerPoint, text, and PDF file. In my example today, I'll be showing you the docs and the PDF type that we're gonna be using. I want you to change in the input the name and we're gonna call it docs because what I did is I copied the same folder of section 2.4 part 3 and I changed the only thing I changed for the file. I changed the avatar to docs file. So now the input, the name of the input, we're gonna call it docs and docs. And if you go and the register, instead of register, we're gonna call it submit CV. So if you go to your form.php where all the validations happen, right here, what we're gonna do, the file, because we changed the input to docs, not avatar anymore, we're just gonna take all the avatars name and we change it to docs. And also the assets slash docs where the upload of the file will happen, it's in this file, and this file exists only under the name of docs. And just remember, for the validation of the type of file, in my previous lecture I showed you for the PNG and JPEG for the validation. Today it's going to be different. It's for docs, and we're going to echo debug the type of docs we're going to be using to be able to put them here for the right validation. So let's get started. So what we did here, we put the name CV. All right, so I want you to comment the if case of the post right here, and I want you to write this echo the file, the docs, because the input we call it the name docs, and the type. So for the first example, we're gonna be echoing a PDF file. So PDF, submit CV, and we have the PDF, the type is application slash PDF. So now I'm gonna go back, I'm gonna put this in allowed, and also let's try it again with a docs file. So I submit my CV, so this is the type for the docs file. I go back, I'm gonna put it here. So there's many type of ways to do a validation. You can create a validation using the file name, the substring -4.docs, but now we're using an array. So if it's not in this array right here, the file docs type is allowed. Please make sure you enter the right extension. So now that we have debug for those two type, now we're gonna go back. I'm gonna remove the comment. All right, and now we have, I'm just gonna show you for those two types. For you later, for an example, you can try for the Excel and other types of documents that you have. So and we want to put the files and the docs. Perfect. So let's make an example out of this. So Charbel, I'm just gonna take any file and I'm gonna submit. Thank you for your registration. If we go to our docs, we're gonna see that we have our document file right here. So now I will try with the PDF, and this is my PDF. So now, thank you for registration. I'm gonna show you an example. If we didn't put this extension and we put, let's say, docs or .docs, what would happen? Go back, docs, and we're supposed to get an error. Please make sure you enter the right extension. So So this is for the document type. There's many validations that you can do, but for this sake example, I'm just going to be showing you the basics. So now there's another thing I didn't show you for the input file is if you want the user to upload multiple file or multiple images. So the only thing you're going to be needing is to put multiple right here. You don't even need that. So multiple, and in your form you need to create a for loop, a loop to be able to upload all the file uploaded by the user. So you need to uh, put them in a loop. That means each one document will be moved to the file that you want. So thank you very much for watching, and see you on my next video.